Hello again. This is probably one of the most important videos that I'm going to post if you want to save your children. And it's an article on the American College of Pediatricians, Best for Children. And it talks about gender ideology harms children. Originally posted March the 21st, 2016, a temporary statement with references. A full statement will be published in the summer of 2016, updated with clarifications on April 6, 2016. Now this is the meat of it. The American College of Pediatricians urges educators and legislators to reject all policies that condition children to accept as normal a life of chemical and surgical impersonation of the opposite sex. Facts, not ideology, determine reality. And it gives you a series of points. I'll just give you the titles. You can read the article itself. 1. Human sexuality is an objective biological binary trait. XY and XX are genetic markers of health, not genetic markers of a disorder. And again, there's specific information that you can read. 2. No one is born with a gender. Everyone is born with a biological sex. Gender and awareness and sense of oneself as male or female is a sociological and psychological concept, not an objective biological one. Again, there's more to read. 3. A person's belief that he or she is something they are not is at best a sign of confused thinking. 4. Puberty is not a disease, and puberty blocking hormones can be dangerous. 5. According to the DSMV, as many as 98% of gender-confused boys and 88% of gender-confused girls eventually accept their biological sex after naturally passing through puberty. 6. Children who use puberty blockers to impersonate the opposite sex will require cross-sex hormones in late adolescence. Cross-sex hormones, testosterone and estrogen, are associated with dangerous health risks, including but not limited to high blood pressure, blood clots, strokes, and cancer. 7. Rates of suicide are 20 times greater among adults who use cross-sex hormones and undergo sex reassignment surgery, even in Sweden, which is among the most LGBTO affirming countries. 8. Conditioning children into believing that a lifetime of chemical and surgical impersonation of the opposite sex is normal and healthful is child abuse. Endorsing gender disordinance as normal via public education and legal policies will confuse children and parents, leading more children to present to danger clinics where they will be given puberty-blocking drugs. This in turn virtually ensures that they will choose a lifetime of carcinogenic and otherwise toxic cross-sex hormones and likely consider unnecessary surgical mutilation of their healthy body parts as young adults. Can you see how sick this whole thing is? Can you see how perverted and demented Barack Hussein Obama is? And look what he's doing to this country. And no one is doing a damn thing about it. Like this says, what they're doing is child abuse. Children might be confused, but they'll grow out of it if they're given an opportunity to grow out of it, not if they're reinforced to go along a miserable path that'll destroy their lives. Read the article. What Obama is doing is beyond criminal. It's beyond evil. You think not? You're not thinking.